Today for our math lesson, you are going to be completing your assessment practice test. Now this can be found in your Envisions Volume 1 workbook on page 151. So this week we have been reviewing all of topic 3. We did a reteaching activity, went over our vocab, and now we are going to be going over just a practice test. So how we will do this, I will read you the questions and answer choices if needed, and then you are going to pause the video and work on this assessment practice. Number 1 says, Frank has 7 paper airplanes. He makes 9 more. How many paper airplanes does Frank make in all? If Frank has 7 paper airplanes and he makes 9 more paper airplanes, how many airplanes does Frank have in all? 18, 17, 16, or 15? And just like we've done before, you are just going to fill in your answer choice. And go ahead and pause the video after I finish reading a question, because then I'm going to go to our next question. Question 2 says, Mark has 7 red marbles. He has 8 blue marbles. Which shows 2 ways to find how many marbles Mark has in all. So it wants us to pick an answer choice that shows 2 ways to find how many marbles Mark has in all. So as you're looking through your answer choices, make sure that both of the equations represent how Mark can find 7 and 8 marbles to find the total of his 7 and 8 marbles together. So which answer choice below shows both equations that represent how we could add Mark's marbles together to find the total? Number 3 says use the open number line. Show how to count on to find 7 plus 9. Then write the sum. Now, when solving with an open number line, I want to just give you a quick reminder. With an open number line, we are going to start with our first add-in. So, you will plot the number 7 on the open number line, and now you need to show how you would count on 9 more to find your total, because we are wanting to find what 7 plus 9 equals. Now, some of us, which is totally fine, do jump by 1 at a time, but you can also, remember, break this number, so the number 9, you could break it into 2 different numbers so that you could jump 1 big jump and then make another jump. So how you solve for number 3 on the open number line is totally up to you. But I just want to give reminders that you can either count on by doing 9 spots to find the total, or you can break the number 9 into 2 different numbers that added together equal 9 to jump. On number 4, it says, which are doubles facts? Choose 2 that apply. So that is very important. You have to choose 2 answers for this one. So we are going to look through our choices and select the 2 equations that show a doubles fact. On number 5, it says 8 birds are in a tree. 9 more birds join them. How many birds are in the tree now? Write an equation to solve the problem. So if 8 birds are in a tree and 9 more birds join them, how could we write that into an equation to find the total? So you will write the equation for this story problem and then write the total number of birds. Number 6 says Gloria has 7 yellow pencils. She has 9 red pencils. How many pencils does Gloria have in all? Our friend says, think about the strategies you have learned. So we've learned doubles plus facts, near doubles, doubles, making 10, and a lot of different ways that we can solve. So if Gloria has 7 yellow pencils and 9 red pencils, we want to know how many does she have in all. So in our answer choices, where it says 15 pencils, 19 pencils, that is where it is saying the total number of pencils, and then it tells how you solved using a strategy. So we have 7 yellow pencils and 9 red pencils, and we want to know how many pencils does Gloria have in all. We'll fill in the answer choice that has the correct number of pencils. Number 7 says Nina bakes 8 corn muffins on Tuesday. She bakes 8 corn muffins on Wednesday. How many corn muffins does Nina bake in all? So it wants us to choose which number line shows the problem. So if Nina bakes 8 corn muffins on Tuesday and then bakes 8 more on Wednesday, which number line below shows the 8 muffins from Tuesday and then the 8 more added on Wednesday? So look at your number line choices, see where the number line begins and where the number line ends. Then choose your answer choice that shows the problem. Number 8 says Sandy makes 9 bracelets. Then she makes 5 more bracelets. How many bracelets does Sandy have now? Use words or pictures to explain. So in this box, it wants you to tell how many total bracelets Sandy has. But show how you know this by using words or pictures. So you could write an equation, you could draw marks to show the bracelets, however you would like to solve. But we need to find if she has 9 bracelets, then makes 5 more, how many total does she have now? And our last page, we are almost done, you guys. Number 9 says find 8 plus 5. Make a 10 to add. So on number 9, it gives us a tens frame to work with. So if we need to find 8 plus 5, we can see that there are 5, 6, 7, 8 already in the tens frame, and we need to add 5 more. So you are going to make 10 with the tens frame, and then find your answer choice below, and you will fill in that circle. Number 10 says Maria has 8 more scarves than Lucy. Lucy has 8 scarves. How many scarves does Maria have? We want to find the total number of scars that Maria has. So you're going to write your equation using what we learned from our problem. And our last problem says there are 19 limes on the table. Oh, wow, that's a lot of limes. It says 10 fall to the floor. Nikki says there are 9 limes left on the table. Do we agree or not agree with Nikki's thinking? It wants us to use pictures, words, and equations to explain. So we have to either agree or not agree with Nikki's thinking. So let's read it one more time. There are 19 limes on the table. 10 of those limes fall to the floor. Nikki says there are 9 limes left on the table. Do we agree or not agree with his thinking? Then you can show if you agree or not agree with pictures, words, or writing an equation in the box. Once you have answered all 11 questions on our assessment practice, you are all done for your math today. If you are going through your practice test and you notice that you did miss a lot of problems, look back at your thinking and see if you missed a step. If you have any questions or are unsure about something, please let me know as soon as possible so that I'm able to help you with your practice test. I am sure everyone did such a great job, and I think we'll do great on the math tomorrow. Again, please let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you later.